I am seriously in my happy place right now. I haven't seen such a beautiful beach for a long time. The colour of the water, everything. This is fantastic. And coming here without other people around just makes it extra special. I'm happy to stay here all day now. I am done. Good morning from sunny El Nido, and today we are going on an adventure, aren't we, man?
Yes, we've hired a kayak. It's 500 pesos for the day from Art Cafe, and we're going to spend the day kayaking around to see some of the beautiful bays and beaches that people can't normally get to.
So the Bacuit Archipelago is full of beautiful islands and bays and nice beaches that most of the tourists go to on a boat trip. They're leaving now, just after 9 o'clock. It looks crazy behind us. Thousands of tourists jumping on boats, all heading out to the islands. We're taking the kayak because it's quieter, it's more peaceful, you're in control, you can go where you want to and choose what beaches you want to go to. So it's going to be great, eh, Amanda?
And also it's a lot cheaper. If you go on a tour, it starts at 1,200 pesos per person, and then there's all the add-ons, your snorkeling gear, etc. 2,000
by the time you add all the other bits on. This is 500 for the day, so good budget outing and should be an adventure.
It'll be brilliant.
Now here is the beach, and I don't know if you can see the hundreds or maybe even thousands of tourists there, all getting on the boats, all ready to head off out together en masse out to these beautiful islands. I'm sure it'll be lovely.
Yeah, because in that way they'll go to Secret Beach and they'll have Secret Beach all to themselves, them and like the other thousand.
Yeah. We were considering going on a tour, and the jury's still out. I still might, but we were down at the beach yesterday looking at the boats coming in, and so many hundreds of people were coming up. We were just thinking it looks too much like just a mass of people. So we'll see.
We're not really into that. So this is just going to be so much fun instead.
What time do we have to come back? Maybe before 5. Before 5. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay.
Brilliant.
Thank you.
Wow. And look at this. Is going to be our vessel for the day. We just need to put a sunblock on first. Excellent. So exciting. Thank you. The forecast for today is cloudy, but when the sun comes out, my word, it is intense. I've got my hat I brought from Australia and sunglasses. Lee doesn't have either, so he's doing a makeshift hat, like Japanese style.
Yeah, this is the way. Get a spare t-shirt and you tie it around your head like that, and then you can cover your neck as well. So it's a good one to do if you ever stuck with that hat somewhere and it's really hot. Stop yourself burning.
Excellent.
Safety first.
Another reason I'm impressed with Art Cafe is they've actually given us 2 paddles.
Yeah.
Some of the other places, some of the kayaks we've seen coming in, they've only had 1 paddle with 2 people.
It's a reasonable kayak actually. I've got one back in New Zealand and I do a bit of kayaking over there, so I kind of know what to look for, and I'm quite happy with this one. Nice one. Some of them on the beach look a bit ropey.
Yes. Yeah.
Always check first before you buy.
Definitely, and be careful of the price, ask around, because one woman quoted 700 for
this was 500, and it includes the paddles and the PFD, and we've got it from, you can start at 7 AM, and I recommend we come a bit late. We've turned up here at 9 o'clock when the boats are leaving. Mistake. Come down at 7 when they open, beat the boats out there, have the place to yourself, and you can have it till 5 PM, which is very reasonable. So we're all set up to leave. I'm going to jump in now. Mandy, any last wishes before you set out to sea?
I wish we'd bought an extra dry bag. We only bought one yesterday, 200, and I don't know how our picnic bag's going to go.
Yeah, we've got all the bread and stuff in there. That'll be interesting.
I'm hot already. Because we've got to be careful of the GoPro because it started leaking. Are you okay?
Try not to spit. Yep. Good to go. That was easy, wasn't it? You can see all the people boarding the boats there. They're all getting ready to head off, and we'll try and navigate through them all. More boats going out there. On tour A, they go out to Big Lagoon first, so they'll all be heading that way. That's Cadlau Island in front of us, the lovely mini Tahiti they call it, the way it sticks out of the water. And we're going to go around the headland now and head up the coastline here to Seven Commandos beach on the other side of this massive.
Just come around the headland. Quite a few boats have gone past us and they've all waved. They're probably thinking, phew, so pleased we're not in there. So we've come around to Ipple Beach 1. It took about 40 minutes to kayak around. A little bit hairy in places because there were loads of boats going past. I'm really lucky, Lee's an experienced kayaker, so that's cool. behind me, we've got the beach to ourselves. It's absolutely beautiful. The sun's out, the water's blue, brilliant. Now, the only bummer is the GoPro's died. So we're videoing all of this now on Lee's phone. So
yeah, so these might be short and sweet. This is the beautiful beach. It is really nice. There's a couple of bungalows here, so maybe it's possible to stay. There's a caretaker who came down and he's okay, you just give us a wave and fed the dogs. But beautiful spot. You could stay here and just hang out, have a swim. Right, Mandy?
Yeah, definitely.
I'm having a relax now and letting Mandy do some paddling. She's doing a great job. Well done, darling. And we're just going past Ipple 2 beach now, another lovely little secluded beach on the mainland. We're not going to stop here. We're going to go straight to Seven Commandos, hopefully beat the boats.
Look, you can see below.
It is so beautiful down there. The water is really clear. You can see the coral. Very impressive. Such a shame the GoPro has decided to play up today. Just made landfall at Seven Commandos beach. Found a nice shaded spot where we can rest up. Looks like a refugee camp where we go. And here's the lovely beach. We'll take a walk down there in a moment. Enjoy this, but the colour of the water here is so nice. That's why it is so popular with the boat tours.
It's so lovely now that the boats have gone. That's one. We've got this all to ourselves. Just look at the colour of the water. Oh my word. It is so beautiful. Wow, the island's over there. So we got to Seven Commandos beach around 11:30, and that was when it was still really busy, because apparently it's the first stop on Tour A for most of the boats. We chatted to a lovely Filipino couple who were enjoying snorkeling, and they said they had 4 more stops to go. But within 20 minutes, almost everyone had gone. There's only like 2 boats left, and it means that we've got this beach, this beautiful beach, almost to ourselves. Now it's really important to note there is a sign that says you can't bring your own food or drink onto this part of the beach. I think it belongs to one of the resorts from Karong. So Willie and I are by the boat. It's quite a good place to like be sitting in the shade where we can have our picnic. Good to see there are some environmental rules. No stepping on coral, of course, being incredibly important, and no touching or chasing marine life. Turns out we actually parked our kayak up in the swimming area, and Lee's taking advantage now of the fact that he's the only one in this particular spot. Not only in this particular spot, but look, oh my word, we have now got the entire Seven Commandos beach to ourselves. So just remember this, if you're on a tour and you're on Tour A and there are, you know, 300 people on the beach with you, this is what you could have if you came out kayaking for the day from Nido or Karong.
I am seriously in my happy place right now. I haven't seen such a beautiful beach for a long time. The colour of the water, everything. This is fantastic. And coming here without other people around just makes it extra special. I'm happy to stay here all day now. I am done. On the tours you get a packed lunch, or they cook fish for you on the beach, which is really nice. We're in a kayak, so we've obviously got to self-cater. We've bought ourselves a little bit of a picnic here. We've got some nice fresh bread from the El Nido bakery in El Nido. Really nice. And we've got sardines to go with it. Lovely and healthy. And tomatoes. We're actually eating healthy here in the Philippines, which is a nice change. We've got some wheat crackers, which are brilliant. We bought those in Manila, and they've really lasted us well. And some biscuits from the bakery. We're not going to starve today. We've brought water with us as well. Couldn't wish for any more, really.
Yeah, and what a place for a picnic.
Yeah. just post lunchtime. There's still only 1 or 2 private boats around, so a really good time to be here around lunchtime. All the big tour boats won't be coming till a bit later, I don't think. I can hear one coming now, but you watch by 2 or 3 o'clock this afternoon, it'll be like Blackpool Beach on a bank holiday Monday here. It really is pretty here, back in amongst the palm trees, the rocks in the background, the jungle, right up to the edge of it. It feels like a tropical paradise. And then you've got that crystal clear water in the distance. I can see why it's so popular here. It is just absolutely magnificent and a lovely place to wander around and enjoy nature at its finest. PM. I counted 17 boats offshore, a lot of people around, getting a bit busier down here. We'll jump in the kayak, head back to Ipil 2 and back to El Nido. Nice other little secluded bay of Ipil 2 here. And we've pulled up with a kayak. There's a few people along here. 1 boat offshore, nice and quiet. This is the stuff dreams are made of. So this is the very pretty Ipple Beach here. There's about 5 or 6 bungalows on there. Looks pretty quiet at the moment. We're not going in because the waves are a bit harsh. We're just going to keep cruising along. Coming into El Nido now, it's 4:30. It's taken us a bit longer to pedal back because we were going into a headwind, so it's pretty hardcore. Keep that in mind when you're going to be paddling, but you can do the whole thing in under an hour quite easily. We're just cruising along now. Sun's gone down on this side, so it's nice and easy, heading into port.
And we have had quite a few boats go past us. You can't tell now. I just wanted to show you these beautiful cliffs. El Nido up ahead. And as you can see, yeah, quite a few boats are back already.
So it's 5 o'clock and we've made it back to the boutique cafe on time.
Yeah, it ended up being like a little bit, I don't know, harder than I thought to come back because all the boats suddenly started coming in.
And the headwinds, yeah.
Oh, the headwind. And then we were like aiming towards the port and it turns out we were on the wrong side of the pier.
Quite an adventure. I think all in all, you know, as an alternative to going on one of the tours, if you want to avoid the crowds, it is a good option to do a kayaking day and go out there. I think it's for good fun.
Yeah, and for me, I've discovered after spending a day on the water, I'm not a fan of kayaking. So yeah.
So I'll be going on my own on the next one by the look of it.
Definitely.
Yeah. So we hope you enjoyed the video. Please watch for more.
Yeah, and also just let us know in the comments below if you've actually been kayaking in the Philippines. If there are any that you would recommend for Lee to do next time.
Yeah, because I'm up for it. Yeah. Give me an island and I'll go there.
Because we're definitely going to come back to this amazing place. The landscape was beautiful. The water was incredible.
Absolutely amazing.
So cool.
Keep looking out for more El Nido and more Philippines videos, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye for now.
Bye.